What is the role of transformers in LLM architecture, and how do they enable LLM to comprehend and produce cohesive and contextually appropriate language? Answer. The role of transformers in LLM architecture is crucial, as they enable the model to effectively handle sequential data, such as text, and capture contextual and long-range relationships. Unlike traditional recurrent neural networks or RNN, which process input sequences word by word, transformers process the input sequence simultaneously, allowing them to comprehend and produce language that is more cohesive and contextually appropriate. This design enables LLM to model intricate linkages and dependencies within the text, resulting in language creation that resembles human speech. The transformer architecture is particularly well suited for natural language processing tasks, as it can capture complex patterns and relationships in language such as syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. In essence, transformers play a vital role in LLM architecture by allowing the model to understand the relationships between words, phrases, and sentences, and to generate language that is coherent, contextually relevant, and semantically accurate. This is achieved through the use of self-attention mechanisms, which enable the model to focus on specific parts of the input sequence and weigh their importance in the context of the entire input. By leveraging transformers, LLM can generate language that is more natural, fluent, and engaging, making them a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from language translation and text summarization to chatbots and language generation. Overall, the role of transformers LLM architecture is to enable the model to capture the nuances and complexities of human language and to generate language that is both accurate and aesthetically pleasing.